Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make this radio on Blender app. So to make this radio, let's open the Blender app, go to add menu and add a cube. Select the cube and scale up along z-axis, scale up along y-axis. Then go to edit mode, select the face selector, select this face, press I and insert. Again press I and insert, then press G and press X and move it along the x-axis. After this, select the edge selector, then I'm going to select corner edges. Select the corner edges, then press Ctrl B and bevel them. Increase the number of cuts and the bevel function. Go to object mode. After this, I'm going to make buttons for the radio. For this, go to add menu and add a cylinder. Rotate the cylinder along y-axis to 90 degrees. Scale down. Move the cylinder in the forward direction and adjust the position of the cylinder. After adjusting cylinder, then go to edit mode. Select the face selector and select this face. Press E and extrude it. Press S and scale down. Again go to object mode, select this button, press Shift T to duplicate, then press G and press Y and move it along the Y axis and place it here. Again select the button, press Shift T to duplicate, then press G and press Z and move it along the Z axis. Now I'm going to make speaker for the radio. Press S and scale up, move it inside and adjust the position of speaker. I'm going to make a network mesh for the radio. Go to add menu and add a plane surface and rotate it to y-axis to 90 degrees. Move it in the forward direction. Press S and Y and scale up along y-axis. S, Z and scale down along z-axis and place it close to the radio like this. Then go to edit mode and subdivide. Increase the number of cuts to 15. Then go to edge and unsubdivide. Then go to object mode and I will add a modifier which is a wireframe modifier. We can also increase the thickness, mark the boundary and apply the modifier settings. Next again select this button, press Shift T to duplicate and then press G and Z and move it along Z axis. Go to object properties and along the Y rotation make it 0. After making this button, next I'm going to make antenna for the radio. For this go to add menu and add a cylinder. Move it in the upward direction. Press S, Z and scale up along Z axis. Then press S and X and scale down along X axis. S, Y and scale down along Y axis. S, Z and scale down along Z axis. Press 7 to see the top view and place it at the center. After this I'm going to make frequency nodes on the radio. For this select this surface, go to edit mode, select the face selector, select this face, press S and scale down it and move it in the downward direction. Again press S and Y and scale down along Y axis. Press Ctrl R to add loop cut and add number of loop cuts like this. Then press Ctrl B and bevel. After this press E and extrude them inside. Again go to object mode. After this I'm going to apply material to it. For this select this surface and open the Blender kit. Click on material and in the material category I will apply this material. Click on it to apply it and see the shader view. So you can see material is applied to the radio. After this I'm going to apply material to this mesh and then I will apply material to speaker and buttons and to antenna. Select this button, add a new material. In the metallic add one and in the emission increase the intensity and give it this color. Then select this cylinder, add a new material and apply the material which we have applied to this button. Then select this button, add a new material and apply the first material which we have applied to the other buttons. Then select the antenna, add a new material and in the metallic add one. After applying all these materials, close the Blender kit, press A to select all and shade smooth, then see the shader view. So material is properly applied to the radio. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, show your reaction in the comment section, and if you want our services, connect us on the LinkedIn. See you in the next video. Bye bye.